Hey guys, Mark here with Patriot Outdoors here in Oklahoma City. Hey, so we're having a beautiful day today. For this time of year, we normally don't have this many sunshiny days where it's great weather. It's not terribly cold outside. But hey, so I wanted to touch base with you about something I think is very important, and that's regulatory compliance. And I know it may sound funny of why I'm coming to you about regulatory compliance, but I don't think I've mentioned something to many of you all that for about 12 years, just prior to going full time with Patriot and working outdoors, for about 12 years I worked as a federal investigator with the U.S. Department of Labor. Basically what we did, we enforced wage payment laws. Basically that's laws dealing with minimum wage, overtime, record keeping, and things like that. What I think is interesting about that is that many times we, I think, can be pretty flippant about compliance, and oftentimes we think, hey, I pay well, my people are happy, and that's kind of the extent that we give to that's kind of the extent of any consideration that we give to regulatory compliance when it comes to wages. And what I think is important about that is one of the things that I really think was crucial about that job that I did. I spoke with hundreds of business owners, hundreds of attorneys, accountants from large businesses, small businesses, and we would argue essentially about wage payment laws. And there were times clearly that I had to hand back wage bills or restitution bills in the multiple thousands, $5, $10, $20, $100,000. There's even times where we had $500,000 in wages that we had to require an employer to pay. One of the things that I think was really insightful about that is that I got a chance to meet and hear how successful business owners operated their business, how they viewed the relationship with their employees, and then you got a chance to meet those who were very careless, who had no idea about what they should and shouldn't do. And so I think that was really insightful. And so what I want to do, I'm going to be offering as much information as I can just to help people understand regulatory compliance, specifically with what's called the FLSA, the Fair Labor Standards Act. Again, that's the act that governs and regulates minimum wage, overtime, record keeping, employment of minors, and things of that nature. And I really want to be able to help those of you understand two things: not just what the law requires, that's key, but also what the law allows. And I think that is the critical point that needs to be understood. What does the law allow? And what ways can we still be compliant with the law as business owners and really make this compliance issue easier than what it has to be, while clearly abiding by the law. So hey, I look forward to giving you guys as much information as I can. DM me on Instagram or message me if you have any questions. Be happy to help out. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.